Hi everybody, welcome to chapter 10. Today we're going to talk about multiplying whole numbers with unit fractions. Before we start that, we have to understand what a unit fraction is. Remember, today in class we said a unit fraction is any fraction that has a numerator of 1, or it represents one part of the whole item. So, your unit fractions, for example, would be 1/3, 1/9, 1/13, 1/6. All of these are unit fractions because they have 1 as their numerator. So today we're going to multiply unit fractions. All of our fractions today will have 1 as a numerator, and we're going to multiply that fraction with a whole number. That's going to give us a multiple, or what we can say when we skip count. So let's get started here. 3/4. Now, keep in mind that multiplication is nothing more than repeated addition. We've done multiplication with whole numbers, and we've seen how it's repeatedly added to get the product. Nothing changes when it comes to fractions. So in this case, I want to come up with a result of 3/4. So how many times do I have to repeatedly add 1/4 until I get 3/4? 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. I had to do that 3 times. So in reality, what I did was 3 times 1/4. Now notice, and this is the one change that happens here. You're going to multiply your whole number with your numerator only. The reason for that is because you are not changing what your item is broken into. Your item is still broken into 4 equal pieces. You're just changing how many equal pieces go into that item. You're combining them together. So if I put 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4 together, there's the first 1/4, the second 1/4, and the third 1/4. I've done nothing to change the fact that my item is broken into 4 equal pieces. All I've done is add pieces to it. So I now have 1/4 times 3 for a total of 3/4. Same idea here. To get 3/5, I can multiply the unit fraction 1/5 times what number to give me a new numerator of 3? Well, knowing our multiplication rules, 1 times any number is that number. So I know that if I multiply 1/5 times 3, it's going to equal 3/5. Numerator times whole number, 3. Keep my denominator as a 5. Here I have 7/12. I want to work with only unit fractions today. So I know that one of the numbers I'm going to work with is going to be 1/12. How many times can I repeatedly add 1/12 until I get to 7/12? I know that 1/12 times 7 wholes is going to give me a total of 7/12. Last 2 examples here, I have 4/7 and I have 8/9. We'll work with the 4/7 first. Again, today I'm strictly working with unit fractions, so I know I have to work with 1/7. 1/7 times what number will give me 4/7? How many times do I have to count by 1/7 until I get to 4/7? Might be a different way to think of it. I have to count 4 times. Numerator times whole number is my new numerator. Denominator stays the same. Same idea here with 8/9. I'm going to strictly work with the unit fraction for today. 1/9. How many times do I have to count by 1/9 until I get to 8/9? I have to do that 8 times. 1/9 times 8 equals 8/9. I hope this gives you a little insight and a little refresher on how to multiply whole numbers and unit fractions. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you soon.